In this video, we will be showing you how to install our hinged door enclosure on a Yamaha Drive or Drive 2. This enclosure works with all three factory Yamaha Drive setups: golf, rear-facing seat, and utility box. This install will require the following tools. Start by identifying the driver and passenger side header bars. To install the headers, remove the outermost roof strut bolts using a 14mm socket and 3/16 wrench. With the bolts removed, put the driver's side header bar in place and secure it by reinstalling the factory bolts. Now, you can slip the passenger side header bar over the key stock and return the factory bolts to secure it. Next, using the included 1 1/4 inch 10/32 hex bolts, prepare the headers for the door post by placing the washer over the bolt, inserting in the hole, and hand tightening the nylock nut. Repeat on all 4 corners. With the bolts in place, you can now attach the tops of the door posts by sliding the F-tabs over the bolts and tightening using a 3/8 wrench and 5/16 ratchet, leaving them loose enough to make later adjustments. To attach the bottoms of the door posts, install the front and rear mounting brackets. To install the front post bracket, remove the nut from the bolt located here inside the front wheel well using a 13mm socket. You can then put the bracket in place with the mounting tab facing outward and replace the nut to secure. You can then use the included 1 1/4 inch 10/32 hex bolt and nylock nut to secure the doorpost, repeating on the other side. If completing this installation on a 2017 or newer Drive 2, you will secure the doorpost directly to the rocker panel using the included J-hook. To install the rear post bracket, with the nut removed, slide the rear mount over the factory bolt and replace the nut to secure. Then, use the included 1 1/4 inch 10/32 bolt and nylock nut to secure. Now you can install the front side panels. Since we upgraded our cart's windshield with the DoorWorks Ultra Clear replacement, we are removing to install the front side panels. But if your cart still has the factory windshield, this step is not necessary. To install, simply secure in place by wrapping around the posts and securing the Velcro, repeating on the other side. With that done, you can install the door panels on the door, ensuring the notches for the hinges and latches are aligned. Now the door can be installed and any necessary adjustments can be made. If the door needs to be adjusted, gently tap with a rubber mallet until the door properly aligns and opens and closes freely. You can then tighten the door post to secure final placement and remove the door to install the back panel. In addition to being removable, our doors feature a zippered window. Simply zip down and tuck behind the crossbar to secure. Install the back panel by moving the panel in place with the flap side down and securing to the header and door posts by fastening the Velcro loops. This enclosure works with all 3 factory Yamaha Drive setups: golf, rear-facing seat, and utility box with a standard 2-passenger roof. The back panel window can be rolled up and secured for easy access to the sweater basket. With the back panel secured, you can then feed the bottom flap through the seat, secure the Velcro, and return the seat to its closed position to hold it in place. DoorWorks Hinged Door Enclosures are also available for custom seats. Install the weather sealing by placing the rear wind guard in place and securing with the attached Velcro. You can then install the side weather stripping by applying the Velcro to the header bar, trimming to size, and attaching in place by sliding it between the roof and the header bar from the outside and securing with the Velcro on the inside. Repeat this on both sides. Next, locate the standout tab on the header bar and secure the latch in place using the 10/32 by 3/4 inch bolt and nut, tightening with a 7/16 wrench and ratchet, and repeating on the other side. When assembled on the door latch should have the bolt going through a spacer on either side of the door frame, secured with a lock nut. Align with the frame and thread the bolt through the frame and spacers. Attach the lock nut and tighten with a 3/8 wrench and ratchet, leaving loose enough to flip up and down. Repeat on the other side. With the doors put back in place, this completes the install of your Yamaha Drive enclosure. We also offer several optional accessories for this golf cart. Our windshield kit is designed to fit snug against the windshield, stopping any drafts or cold air that might get into the cart. Installation is simple. Wind can cause unclosed DoorWorks enclosure doors to slam against the rear tire, causing the tire to rub against the fabric and leave a mark. Door guards solve this problem with a simple snap-in installation. Rubber weather stripping for the door will add an extra water and air barrier between the door and post. Thanks for watching.